Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And if you haven't watched how we create the EC2 instance, just go back to my previous video. I will also paste the link in the description. So in this video, I will share how we can associate our Elastic IP to our EC2 instance and how we can dissociate that as well. Okay, so I will show both of the processes in this video. So let's go to our EC2 instance. This is the same instance that we have created in our previous video. Okay. So the reason why we create or associate Elastic IP to this particular EC2 instance is that Elastic IP remains constant. If you create a public like Elastic IP that assigns a specific public IP to that Elastic IP, and so Elastic IP will have a permanent IP. But what happens when you when you stop and start your EC2 instance normally, its public IP changes. So if you are using working in production environment, you have to have a specific public IP because it's also associated to your DNS or any other further records or services that you are using. So to avoid that, we associate the Elastic IP. Okay, so let's just hover to our option of Elastic IPs. Let's go to Elastic IP option and click on Associate Elastic IP. So I've chosen the reason. This is the reason where I want it to be, and like I will choose from the AWS pool of IP before. You can choose the global static IP options if it's required that you need to have edge location. What edge location does is it provides you a high availability for your website EC2 instance. Like from anywhere, the site will load fast if you have like install Nginx or anything on your EC2 instance. And it's also easy to access and it uh, gives you faster loader time. Edge locations stores the cache to the nearest user location. Okay. So I will click allocate and it will be allocated now. So this is the fixed public IP for the Elastic IP that I have chosen. So to associate it to our EC2 instance, what we will click here, we will click on action and associate Elastic IP. Okay. Just click on this option, choose the EC2 instance and the private IP of the EC2 instance. You can choose this option also, but it's not required for me right now. I've clicked the associate option. Okay. So now my EC2 instance should have this IP 176.1.3. When you will go to this option, you will see that the public IP of my EC2 instance has changed. Okay. So we have successfully attached our Elastic IP to our EC2 instance. So this is a simple process, and now we will move to next step. Like you have done everything and you want to like release this Elastic IP from your EC2 instance. So in that option, what you can do is just click on this option, actions, go to networking and click the dissociate Elastic IP address. Okay. This will show the Elastic IP attached to our EC2 instance. This is the, yes, this is the one, 176.1.3, right? Click on dissociate and proceed. Okay. Okay, so it's done now. Let's see that whether our, okay, yes, public IP of our instance has changed, but it didn't deleted that Elastic IP. Okay, so to delete that Elastic IP, what you have to do is go to Elastic IP. You will see that this IP address is still there. So click here, select the IP address, Elastic IP, and click on the release Elastic IP addresses. Okay, this will release and delete this public IP address the from your account. Okay, so this is how you proceed with the association or this allocation of your Elastic IP addresses. Okay, so if you have any doubts, any suggestions, just comment down below. And thank you for your time and watching my video. Thank you guys.